Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this monitor riser has made the perfect addition to my desk setup.
It sits perfectly in the corner of my desk, which is exactly what I was looking for. AFOOYO has made it so perfectly adorable. The setup was so easy. They give you everything you need to assemble it. And I love how these are offset just a little bit, and it has the perfect slot for a cell phone or a tablet or a pen. It really is the perfect thing for storage, whether you have a bunch of accessories or a bunch of little tchotchkes and gadgets like me. I have a place for my earbuds, all of my different microphones, and all of my cute little stones and stuff I like to have with me. It is just the perfect thing to sit right in the corner of my desk to hold my monitor on.
I am just in love with how cute and functional this monitor riser is. It has made the perfect addition to my desk setup, and that's my point of view.